Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change default card on your Apple Wallet. First, unlock your phone and open the Setting app. Scroll down and tap on the Wallet and Apple Pay. Look at the top, look for the default card and tap it. You will see a list of all cards added to your Apple Wallet. Tap the card you want to use as your default, and that's it. The card will now be automatically used whenever you pay with Apple Pay. There's another quick way to do. Open the wallet app on your iPhone, tap and hold the card you want to make default. Drag it in front of your card default. The first card shown in the wallet becomes your default card. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.